tell him he don't like being splashed.
He's alright. Jake, wave! Look at that, Mum, look. He's told them. Dexter, Mum, look, here he comes, look. Is that fun? Is that fun? Go on. Dexter! Dexter! Jakes.
He said to him, do you want to get splashed? And he went, yeah, splash Mum. Not him. So he splashed him.
That's enough, isn't it? Bloody good, isn't it?
Amazing. And we can stay in afterwards then.
Put Roy over there, let's get a picture of him.
It's worth it, isn't it?
Put the rubber ring on him. It's a right more.
Oh babe, he's just a security blanket, isn't he? Did he yawn then? Did he yawn in his photo?
Deck! Dexter! Wave! Deck!
Wave!
Wave! Alright.